Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Colorado LTZ dual cab ute. Stock reference number 7411. This shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the 9th month 2013. It has an LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror in chrome. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Plexiglass canopy with all bolts and brackets, less keys. Tidy chrome bumper. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has two small dents. Right hand tail light does have light sun cracks. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side steps sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door one small dent. Right front door three small dents. Right power door mirror in chrome. Right hand guard has had a previous repair, but other than that it's straight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster